This is AE600 coffee grinder, the newest grinder ni Coriaco. So this one retails for 18,000 pesos for the meantime, and commercial use na rin siya. So let's take a look at the body of the grinder. So this one is made in aluminum alloy that makes it thick and then solid. So ipa-close up ko lang sa inyo yung grinder. So we have this in two colors, black and then white. So the hopper has 1.2 kilograms capacity. It is very easy to see the amount of the coffee beans kasi kung nakikita nyo, medyo spacious yung ating hopper. Now, meron din tayong hopper door. So, kung gusto nyo siyang i-stop, pwede nyo naman siyang i-stop. And then, if you wanted to open it, then you could just open it. So, you can freely adjust the degree of the thickness of your coffee beans as you like. So, kung gusto nyo ng coarse, it should be clockwise. And then, kung gusto nyo ng fine, counterclockwise siya. So, the suggested maximum degree is 6. Pero, usually sa amin, kapag nagka-calibrate kami, we always start from number 4. Now, how are you going to do it? Pipindutin nyo lang to, itong parang adjust dito, para lumuwag yung grinder dial. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Dito tayo magbe-base itong may dot dito, kung number 4. Ayan, number 4. Pwede kayong lumipat ng number 3. Pwede din hanggang number 2. Pero I suggest number 4 muna kayo. And then, kapag nag-grind nyo na yung beans, tsaka na lang kayo ulit mag-adjust into finer. And then, once done, pwede nyo nang higpitan ulit tong lock. Kasi kapag hinigpitan nyo na yung lock, hindi na siya na-adjust. The body is made with aluminum alloy that makes it thick and then solid. Meron na rin siyang indicator ng light. This one. Indicator ng light. Ito naman yung on and off switch. So, yan. Kapag on mo, naka-color green yung indicator. Nandito naman yung pipeline where the grinded beans will come out, or yung powder outlet will come out. Tapos, ito naman, ito yung panel bed. So, let's check the performance of this grinder. So, maglalagay lang ako ng beans sa ating hopper. Once done, isasara ko na siya, and then i-make sure ko na naka-open yung ating pull-out hopper. Ito siya. Para pumasok yung hopper doon sa mismong blade niya. Meron siyang 64mm flat burr. And then, as I mentioned earlier, 1.2 kilograms yung capacity niya. So, for the meantime, ito lang muna yung ilalagay natin. And then, since naka-open na siya, meron na tayong light indicator switch. And then, kailangan lang natin ng portafilter para ma-ready na siya sa touch ng final control. Push and pull lang siya. Ito yung push and pull ng button, which is yun yung gagamitin nyo dito sa portafilter once sinaksak nyo siya. So, let's start. Then, once you pull it out, automatic mag-i-stop na siya. So, from the number 4, beans, medyo konti pa siyang makapal for me. Medyo coarse pa siya because I want something na parang as fine as sugar. So, when that happens, you just need to adjust yung grind size. So, kanina nasa number 4 tayo, let's make it number 3. And then, adjust natin into number 3. And then, i-lock ulit natin siya. And then now, try ulit natin. Then when you remove, Ito na siya. Yan. So, ito is medyo nag-adjust na yung grind size. Ito kasi yung kanina. So, kung napansin nyo, I'm not sure if you can see this with the naked eye, pero medyo makapal pa to. And then ito, medyo finer na siya. Very easy lang naman siya gamitin. And then, may kasama naman ng English manual, yung ating box for your cleaning and then maintenance.